For pronouncement of judgment, item number 1. Take it.
The detention order against the petitioner so-and-so is set aside and quashed. All consequential orders on the basis of the detention order are set aside and quashed. The records which were produced by Mr. Zimomi, the learned government advocate, are returned herewith.
For judgment, item number 2.
We have duly taken note of the order passed by the learned Central Administrative Tribunal dated 13/2/2025, and in the present facts of the case, taking into account the limited scope of interference, we do not find any good ground to interfere with the order passed by the learned Central Administrative Tribunal as well as the transfer order.
From the supplementary cause list for motion, item number 13.
May I please, Lord? Yeah, Lord, I'm the petitioner. I'm praying for appointment to the grade 4 post, MTF, or land ownership basis.
Where's your agreement?
My Lord, there was no written agreement since the land was donated long before. And on my plot, the Health and Family Welfare Department have constructed a doctor, medical officer quarter and nurse quarter. And in this regard, I have annexed on
Yes.
an extra 5.
No, it's Lordship. Lordship, at this stage, let notice go.
Heart, Mr.
My name is Pakirin Tawo, my Lord.
Then the counsel for the petition. Issue notice.
MS Pichano, government advocate, tenders appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Notice and respondents are complete. Respondents may file affidavit. List after 4 weeks. Out, we'll make it shorter. 2 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks, Lordship.
List after 3 weeks.
My lord, if I may, I have a prayer for stay during
Stay,
the pendency of the.
stay will consider on the next date after they get the
Lordship.
prayer for interim shall be considered on the next judicial.
Mahali Open.
For admission, item numbers 1 to 3.
May I please, Lordship.
Oh,
Lordship, on behalf of Moa Angel, kindly grant 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
yes, heard MS. Your name is not here. You write and give it for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. Moemchin. Leonard, senior government.
Lordship.
advocate. How much time you require?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
2 weeks time is allowed to file contract. List after 2 weeks.
For admission, item numbers 4 to 7.
7, 4 to 8.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, on behalf of additional AG in Dim Song, kindly grant 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
So item 4 to 8. is
4
it?
to 8, please, Lord. May I please, my lord. My lord, they have been seeking time for from last year, lordship, to file an affidavit on 2 separate occasions also. Time were given as to file the affidavit expeditiously. Lordship, if
310. How much time you require?
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
Okay. Okay, heard Mr. PCO Longcomer and the council for the petition. On request made on behalf of
In Dim Sung, additional AG.
in Team Song, Leonard. Additional AG now. 2 weeks further time is allowed to file contract. We'll see on the next date. List after 2 weeks.
For admission, item number 9.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, on behalf of Tipa, he's generally give instructions, so if 3 weeks time may be granted to file affidavit, Lordship.
Yeah, for
I'm for respondent number 5 and I have filed my affidavit in opposition.
petitioners. Okay, none appears for the petition. MS
K. Lilisu,
K. Lilisu appears for the respond number 5. Para on request made on behalf of Mr.
Tipa,
Tipapong, Leonard Government Advocate. How much time?
3 weeks time, Lordship.
2 weeks time is allowed to file contract. List of the 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 10.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Uh,
Service of one respondent number 5, 6, and 7 are still awaited. And Lordship, we are.
When was it sent? Seven 11.
For 4/11/2024.
Who are these respondents?
The village council. And somehow in the private respondent.
Can you take Dusty?
Lordship, it will be difficult for us to take trustee service since the petitioner is excommunicated from the village.
Okay. Then you take first steps again.
Lordship, substitute notice by way of newspaper publication.
You want to do that?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. The petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice by on the respondents 5, 6, and 7 by substitute service by publishing the said notice in 2 local newspapers having wide publication in the state of Nagaland. showing the returnable date as today is 11th, as 13th of May 2025. Stop. Within 1 week you can do it.
Yes, sir.
On top you say within the period of one week, huh? Showing returnable date. Stop. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to the effect. List on 13/5.
For orders, item number 11.
Next, Lordship. In compliance with the order dated 18/3, Lordship will have taken step upon the respondent 3. Respondent 4. By way of a dusty, and it has been affected, but we are yet to file an affidavit, Lordship. We have taken steps to reach ED as well as Dusty. Dusty has also been affected, but we are yet to file the affidavit of service.
Okay.
Lordship, may kindly grant us 2 weeks' time, Lordship. File the affidavit of service.
Okay, Mr. Fosico learned counsel with the petitioner submits that they have taken steps for service of notice on the respond number 4 by Dusty Service. And praise for
Lordship, 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks time to file an affidavit to that effect. Praise a lot, please up to 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 12.
Lordship, we have taken steps upon respondent number 6 by register post. However, return notice is still awaited. So thank you and 2 weeks.
Our service report on the respond number 6 and list the matter after 2 weeks.